Identity Modern English. This topic shows how the political society here shares ideas about what it means to be English in the 20th century. First, an important political person in these discussions was Enoch Powell. In the 1938, he gave a very important speech about what means immigration in English. This speech, Powell wanted that the immigrations would create social conflicts and change English identity. The speech used a dramatic language and creates fears on many people, and it showed that some English citizens were worried about future change and immigration from former British colonies. However, the race in England was not the only accused in police. It was accused in sport. A very important person in this history was the boxer Randall Tulpins. Randall Tulpins was born in Lamington, Spa. His father was from Guyana and his mother was English. This made him part of a multicultural Britain that was beginning to develop after the Second World War. Tulpin became famous in the 1951 when he defended the American boxing champion, Sugar Ray Robinson. This victory surprised many people and made Tulpin a national hero. He became a first black British boxing champion in the British. When he returns of the seat, he was received as a leader with a newspaper and local leader celebrating as a Browns leader. However, the situation was more complex. When Tulpin traveled to the United States for rematch against Robinson, he experienced a very different future. Everyone. The fight took place in New York, near Harlem, which was an important center of African-American culture. Tulpin lost the rematch, and after this defeat, his career started to decline. His experience in America were difficult and created personal and financial problems. Over time, his fame slowly disappeared. In conclusion, the example of Enoch Powell and Randall Tulpin show two different sides of English society during the 20th century. Powell represents political fear about immigration and change, while Tulpin represents the reality of multicultural England. Together, their story help understand our English identity involved during at the time of social transformation. Thank you for your attention.